Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can make Roblox game on your mobile or using a mobile device. So make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you or tell you. So let's get on it. Actually, there isn't an official Roblox Studio app yet for mobile devices. So this, however, does not prevent you from making a Roblox game on your mobile device. So whether you use an Android or iOS device, just follow the steps that I am going to show you and tell you. So this is how you can make a Roblox game on phones. So first, you need to open the Roblox Studio website. So go ahead and open any browser that you're currently using on your device and just type in this link right here, or you can do it on your own. Just go to the Roblox Studio website. And then after that, switch to the desktop mode. So if you use Chrome or Firefox, you find it in a drop-down menu at the top right corner of your screen, or it is the three dots that is available on your screen on the upper right corner of the screen. Just click onto that, and this drop-down menu will appear. And just click onto the request request desktop site. And after doing so, sign in into your Roblox Studio account. So just simply type in your information on the following field, and after that click on to my manage my games on there. So it is this bottom part right here, and then you can click on to the create new game button. So as you can see here on the screen, if you see that this on your screen, just click onto it, and then you can choose your desired game template. So you would notice that making a Roblox game on PCs is similar to how you can make Roblox game on mobile. So therefore, you need only to have basic knowledge of how Roblox work make create games on your phone. So that's it. That's how you can make games on your Roblox using your mobile device. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.